And it's just really so beautiful. All right, this is day 2. I'm packed up, ready to go. Thank you, Hotel da Flamingo. It was a good night's sleep. I'm all ready to go. Hitting the road for Pokhara. Stop along the way, be there in about 5 hours. So it's a pretty decent ride, depending on how much wetness there is and all that. Cause with no rear fender, my shit gets muddy easy. So yeah, I'm excited to hit the road right now. I can't wait to get to Pokhara, start eating some food, start seeing some stuff. So I'll see you on the road in a little bit.
Buying a bike in Nepal, it is very expensive.
Super expensive. And if you want to travel anywhere on it, it's really hard.
Yeah.
So you're studying to be a doctor?
Yeah.
And so where's your school?
My school is around 60 kilometers from here.
60 kilometers?
60 kilometers.
Where? What city?
Belle City.
What?
Belle City.
Oh. Wow. So are you just here for the
for my vacation,
holiday?
Vacation. There was a festival season over here.
Yeah.
That's today only.
Oh, you're leaving today?
Yeah, I'm leaving from here today.
How long does it take you to get back?
Around 1.5 hours.
Oh, that's not bad.
I'll be going on my motorcycle.
Oh, nice.
I've got a collection of my motorcycle also.
Oh, you do?
But not this big kind of motorcycle. But
Yeah. It's rare for Nepal. Yeah.
I've got some motorcycles.
Oh, nice. I love motorcycles. That's funny. I stopped here and met someone who loves motorcycles too.
Yeah, I love motorcycles actually.
Yeah, that's awesome.
My father was also a motorcyclist back in his days, but now he's stopped riding. I've got a 40-year-old motorcycle RX 102 stroke.
I've seen those before.
Yeah, I've got that also.
Oh, wow.
And my father used to ride 1983 model Japanese XL 185 dirt bike back in his days when he was young. So
how old's your father now?
he is 62 years old now.
The road's not
My
too
father.
bad. Namaste. Very nice to meet you. So what kind of medicine do you want to practice?
Okay, I'm practicing MBBS.
Yeah, what?
Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery.
Yeah, surgery. You want to do surgery.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm doing my bachelor's over here, and I'll pursue my master's career after a few years.
Okay.
I complete this.
That's cool.
Now you're from India?
No, he's from United States.
Yeah, from America. I just travel into India a lot. Yeah.
Now you are going to Pokhara, then Kathmandu?
Yeah. Yeah, please follow for sure. Can I take a video of that view?
Sure.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh yeah, I stopped to rest. I met these really nice people, motorcycle people. I came through there. It was a little bit foggy, but it's a lot warmer up here now. So this is a beautiful ride, especially once you get past the chewed up road that's down there. It's a really nice ride. Yeah, I'm gonna get back on the road. I'm gonna start riding. I'll stop again in a little while and film some more, but yeah, this is so beautiful. This is their house. It's such a beautiful view.
You come with me?
Yeah.
You'll get a better view from over there.
Oh, okay, let's do it.
This is my motorcycle.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice.
This is 10 years old motorcycle. Actually 11 years old.
Wow, it looks really good condition. You take good care of it.
Not even a single scratch till date.
Nice.
I've kept this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, nice.
This one?
That's the
100
RX?
cc.
RX?
100 cc.
Oh, nice.
Two-stroke motorcycle.
Yeah, those sound so cool.
Yeah.
Two-stroke sounds, it's like, I like
40 years
that.
old around 40 years old.
Wow, and this runs good, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh wow. You must come up here every morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just wake up and every day I see this view.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
We are so much lucky, no?
You are so lucky. That is,
Yeah.
that's probably one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen.
We
Wow.
see this every day when we wake up.
That's so beautiful. Thank you for letting me come up here and see it.
We see better than this other day.
Oh, when it's clear.
when it's clear and the fog over there, it is very larger other days. Today this is a bit low.
And so will it burn off later?
Yeah, in the daytime.
Yeah.
Every morning we see this, and in the daytime around 12 noon, the local people over here, they call this the White Lake. The White Lake.
Oh, you know, it totally kind of does look like a lake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
That is a valley actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, valley. We see like
That's
that.
right before you go down around the mount. Before that, the road. Yeah. It totally does look like a lake. I better get on the road. Thank you so much. Thanks. No, so nice to meet you and your dad. Oh, that was awesome view. So nice of them to show me that.
This is now around 40 years old now.
So has your family had it for 40 years?
Yeah, my father used to ride this previously when he was young, so I've kept this in a good condition now.
Yeah.
He doesn't ride anymore. So I've been riding this, and all those 2 motorcycles over there, and 1 motorcycle
around that
down
way.
There, yeah.
So it's such good condition. Look at everything.
Yeah.
So nice.
Everything showroom condition.
Yeah. Wow, that's so crazy that it's 40 years old and look, it's so good. You've done such a great job taking care of it. And of course my ass was hurting anyway, but of course I had to stop at my favorite spot between Butwal and Pokhara. I just love this bridge. I don't know why, I'm just such a water person, a bridge person. I want to say this is probably about halfway between Butwal and Pokhara. How about that water? It's cold though. But that water's cold as hell. Again, I like that one view when you're overlooking Pokhara, but I might stop at that town. There's that little town where I got some bananas that first trip through and stuff, because I'm kind of hungry and I could use a rest and stuff. So, all right, I'll see you there. I'm in Pokhara. I made it. Damn, that road sucks now. It's not good anymore. If that road was nice, like it would be, it'd be fun to ride, but, and then plus it took me a little extra long because I met those guys along the way. Checked into my Hotel Mala. I only paid $19 a night for it plus taxes. I like it because they have underground parking for my motorcycle, and they have a pool on the 6th floor that's open until 8 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna go down here and eat at this Tibetan place, and then that I love, get some noodle. I love those buffalo noodles. I tried to go to the chicken wrap place first, but it was too busy. So I'm gonna go down and eat at this place, and I'm gonna forget how many white people hang out here. I haven't been here for a minute. Whoa. Of course, that's where I am for breakfast. I haven't had tenduks since I've been here, so I'm gonna get that this morning. It's cool outside, so now's the time to eat it. They don't think it's too warm for it, so I'm gonna eat that. So I love it here. It's really good. I haven't had this good anywhere else. I've only had it a few times, but it was really, really good here. I'm gonna go to that Pokhara Customs place, that same place I went to last time. Try to get my tires rotated. So I've got about 4,000 kilometers on those new tires. So I'm gonna stay on top of it this time. Unlike last time, I don't know why, I just didn't even think about it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go up there, and then after that, we'll start hitting some food places. I got some places in mind I'd like to check out. I'm getting pretty hungry, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to rotate those tires. You rotate my tires?
Rotate?
Yeah, I got new tires and it's been like 4,000 kilometers.
You already changed the tire?
Yeah.
Where did you get some tires? India?
Yeah.
You went to India on the way?
No, yeah, I went to India, sorry, yeah. After I saw you, I went there and then I got tires.
How much it cost this one tire?
24,000 IC. For both.
Both? You have their contact number?
Do I what?
You have their contact number?
I can get it for you. That was the last pair, but it's an Indian tire, so they got to be making more. I'll get a number for you though.
This brand is Indian?
Yeah, Timson is Indian. The other ones were those Shinkos. I like these better. They grip a little better. They're not as big, but they grip better and stuff. Owner's test driving my motorcycle. Chilling, waiting for my tires to get rotated. I'm hungry though. Can't wait to eat. Why in Pokhara I always have such a hard time finding stuff to eat. I don't know if it's because there's so many choices or what. But whoa, that looks closed. Are you open?
Someone for the.
What?
Do you want someone for the bakery?
What?
Do you want to order something?
Do you have food?
So, do you want to order something?
Well, I saw your menu earlier.
Yes, sir.
Like pork and stuff like that. You don't have that?
The restaurant is in the other side.
Out this way?
No, you can go from this.
Oh, thank you. Okay. I really don't know where I'm going. That's nice. Oh, restaurant. Oh, restaurant. Hello. Sit. I really need some food. What's popular?
Sorry?
Popular.
Popular. Crackling pork belly. Crackling pork belly in India.
Okay, I'll have crackling pork belly. Pad Thai. Non-veg. Alright? Thank you.
Crackling pork belly.
Thank you. Lime? Thank you. Alright, that's looking pretty good for today. Hope that's good pork belly. The pad thai looks good, a little dark, but it looks good. Peanuts, things like that. That's really good. Usually when Nepali say pork belly, it's like a little bit of pork with a lot of fat. Sometimes the fat's really hard too, but it's crunchy like it's supposed to be. It's really good. Nice crunch. Wow, that's good. Oh wow, that's really cool up here. Huh. Oh, there's people. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's freaking cold. Yeah, that's really nice. But that water's chilly. That's really nice, but that water's cold. Hopefully during the day it's a little warmer. I'm gonna try it tomorrow, we'll see.